Alright, I just want to say thank you for when we were kids taking care of us and taking us out to eat noodles and good Chinese food, and used to take us to Denny's and pick up stuff from school. And yeah, I remember one time you brought home crab and it was still alive and you made it crawl on the kitchen floor. And you would take us fishing at Echo Park, and you took us to Big Bear to see the snow. You're up.
You said everything I was gonna say. Hey Dad, miss you. And yeah, thank you for everything. Just want to wish you a happy Father's Day. Hey Dad, welcome to Ala Moana Beach Park. But yeah, thank you for always taking care of us. We miss you and always giving us good advice.
There's nothing, you're okay. There's nothing. Alright, fine. Oh, it's getting on me. What'd you do, roll around? What'd you do, somersaults? Alright, we're also really glad we have each other. We take care of each other, so we're doing fine. You don't have to worry about us. Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Take care. It was all fake, but just kidding. We did it for the camera. We really hate each other.
I can't stand this person.
Can we cut already?
Cut this out.
Cut this out. Cut this out.
Go. Anytime now.
Are you gonna say action?
Action.
Huh?
Action. Action. That's better.